8 degrees, and I gotta fix a water tank. The hot water tank is busted. Well, not the bottom of it is leaking. So instead of trying to fix different little types of elements within it, I'm going to replace the whole thing. When I got it about 5 or 6 years ago, it was $299. Now it's $610. Yes, about double. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, you see this little thing here? I'm gonna have to cut off the water first. I haven't pulled this up in a while. There was some leakage down the bottom, so we're going to drain this. First off, I'm going to let this out. There. All right, and turn it out. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta get something to turn that off, because my hand is not as strong as it used to be in turning that down. Okay. All right, and I'm going to take this off, and that would, once I get the water to drain down some first. Once I get the water to drain down some, probably about here, then I'll unscrew this, and that will give me more, let the water go out more. Okay, so I made a little mistake, and I broke this here. Trying to bend this back just a little bit, and I was a little bit too. So I'm gonna have to fix this here. If I can get this right here, I'll use it, but I have to get another one of these and put it in. Have to cut this. Don't have much to cut, so that's a good thing, because I got some room to play with. This is pretty long, so that's no problem. But I got the tank out, so we're gonna place a new tank in there, and everything else pretty much fit the same. here, like so. Push that down, high down. Make sure you get in there high. There we go. Oops. All right, there we go. Now, all right. Yeah, they're hot. I made sure I went to get the right one. Okay, black to black and red to white. So tight, and then I can push this in here, like so. Push that down, high down. Make sure you get in there high. There we go. Oops. All right, there we go. Now, all right. Here we go. Put these two together. Get that a little tighter. Get that a little tighter, like this. Make sure the power's off. Make sure the power's off. And most of the time, well, some of them read, and most of the time the dryer and the washer is right next to for the water heater. All right, and it's like formed together most of the time. Sometimes it's not like that, but yeah, making sure we get this pretty much. All right, tighten it up a little bit more. Pretty much got it. And let's see if we can bring this on down too. Right on down. Everybody get down, get down. All right. All right. Yes, and there's Mama coming with her noise. All right, get down, get down, get down. All right, and just a little bit more. All right. All right, let's turn it down. Let's turn it little by little bit. Let's do it. Hard to do it with one hand. Even though I'm strong, so I'm gonna use two hands, but you get the joke. There you have it. DIY Apostle Campbell at your service. It ain't perfect, but it's good.